Know the moments when you get a freemium game and it sucks total balls and you want to throw your phone in someone's face? God, this game sucks. Yeah. Hey Jim, wanna... Ow. Well, everyone knows that feeling, and everyone wishes that freemium games could be better. They can, if you follow the tip I'm about to show you. This is tip number 1. The tip is, listen to music. Normally when you play games without music, you're so focused on the gameplay that when you try to think hard, you lose and you get enraged easily. But when you play music while gaming, a carefree part of your brain awakens and lets you play without giving a damn. This way, you don't get pissed as fast. Well, even if you do, you won't take it so seriously. Man, this game blows. Yeah.